The fact of the matter is that cars and office chairs come in all different shapes of sizes, just like people.
Do you think
One thing I know for sure is that patients can improve their sitting tolerance and their pain in both their neck and back with the use of a lumbar roll. The correct placement of a lumbar roll starts by sitting your butt all the way back in your chair, whether that's your desk chair or your car seat. Then you're going to take your lumbar roll and you're going to place it behind your back, just above those bumps on your back. That will help guide your spine to a slightly extended posture, and it will cue the rest of your spine above it to sit up tall. This will improve your sitting tolerance and could very well improve your back and neck pain. So give it a try. This is how you sit with a lumbar roll. Don't have access to a lumbar roll, just take an extra sweater or outerwear, and it can serve the exact same purpose. Remember, sit your butt all the way back, goes just above the bones of your pelvis, and it's going to sit you up tall. This will help improve sitting tolerance. You could sit for longer without pain, and it could also help with mechanical neck and mechanical lower back pain.